What is up, everyone? We are back for Kennedy Doing Things. And if you didn't guess it or check the title of the video, we are opening Pokemon cards. Today we are going to be opening Unbroken Bonds. We have a 3-pack box and we have 15 Family Dollar packs. And we're going to see which was the better buy. If you ask me, I'm going Family Dollar. So let's start opening them. So I think we should go with the Unbroken Bonds box. So I picked this up at a local card store. I think they were charging about $15, and I have the $15 worth of dollar packs. So let's go ahead and open these, see what we get, and then we'll open the dollar packs and see who wins. So I actually don't know that I've opened any Unbroken Bonds before. They are not really sold in stores anymore. They're pretty much just sold in card shops or apparently the Family Dollars. Like many of you that like opening Pokemon cards or watching the videos, I think it's the older packs that are cooler to see those because it's not easy to get, and so I wanted to make sure I grabbed these as well as the dollar packs. So we'll start off with the code card. There's that for you. Let's go ahead and zoom in just a little bit. So I am not 100% sure, but I believe it's 3. 1, 2, 3. So we start off with a Gloom, a Haunter. That is a very unique card. Artwork, very different from a normal Haunter. Cleffa, Poliwag, Rhyhorn, Growlithe, Cubone, Riolu, one of my favorites, Reverse Holo Drowsy, and for our rare, we have a Butterfree, and we have one more card, and an energy. Sometimes these packs, they just don't want to be opened. Code card. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it should be an energy at the front, and it is a fairy energy. Nice. Power Plant, Laren, Green's Exploration, Ghastly, Togepi, Pikachu. That's kind of cool looking. And looks like it's on a ship. Murkrow, Rhyhorn, that Haunter again, Reverse Holo, and for our rare we have a Aggron, non-holo. So far these have not treated us very well. So for our final pack, we have this one. I love the artwork on this. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Water Energy. Laren. Green's Exploration. Wartortle. Alolan Diglett. The only thing different with a Diglett in the Alolan area is that it has hair. Zubat, Jigglypuff. It's very interesting what's going on there. Bellsprout, Diglett again. This one doesn't have hair. We have a Porygon 2 Reverse Holo, and for our rare, oh my, we have a Fire Crystal Gold card. Wow. That is awesome. So with these gold cards, these are considered secret rares. I think I'll zoom in so you can see this just a little bit better. But you can see it is 231 out of 214. So this goes outside of the normal pack number. Now I don't know what we're gonna get in the other packs, but this is gonna be very hard to beat. We'll go ahead and sleeve these up. This Porygon too is very nice. I like that. Haunter, Gengar is like one of my favorites, so I have to have that. And this Drowsy, I think he needs a nap. All right, so let's get to the dollar packs. So if you've been keeping up with the channel, I've opened other dollar packs. So they're real cards. You can pull any card from the pack, and the catch is there's 3 cards. The middle card is the rare card, if there is one, and there's no guarantee of what you're going to get. So let's see. So we have a Litten, an Energy, and a Kyurem reverse holo. Nice. So just as an FYI, I always sleeve up the reverse holos. I don't always remember to do that in the videos. I will try and do a better job of that going forward. So we have a Cottony, Fairy Energy, and a War Turtle reverse holo. Very nice. So if you're wondering about the code cards, in the dollar packs, they do not have code cards. They're basically promoting watching, so this one's promoting like their database and a couple other things, and then it's basically like, go buy more cards, please. So I don't think I did the card trick, so we'll see. So we have a Venonat, a Janine, and so we have a reverse holo Skatataka. Very cool. Okay, let's move on. We have the fake code card and a Coughing Energy and a Honchkrow GX. Super cool card. That is a rare card. Very cool. So we'll move on. Card trick goes over. We have Crabrawler, Janine, and a Welder reverse holo. So thus far, the packs have treated us really well. They only had 15, so I pretty much cleared them out, and I can't complain. So we have an Inkay, Lieutenant Surge's Strategy, and a Tai Rogue reverse holo. Very nice. Okay. Let's get into the next one. So we got a Caterpie. This is going to be a good one, I can tell. Totally joking. Alright, let's see what we got. We have a Caterpie, a Samsonite, and another reverse holo Drowsy. Very nice. We got 2 of them. So we don't have anything crazy rare. I can't complain. So, into the next pack, we have a Clefairy, Fire Energy. Oh man. I'm just gonna quit. That's it. I don't even need to do the rest of the video. A Reshiram Charizard GX from a $1 pack at the Family Dollar. I'm gonna check the back of it. So overall, looks to be in very good condition. Here, we'll zoom in. Very good condition. I didn't think we'd be able to beat the gold card in the box, but that's amazing. Freaking amazing. That's gonna get a special spot right there. Well, helps if you could see it. Alright, so we got this and this. I think these are the competing. These are the cards that are going against each other. Okay. Alright, finally got that open. Okay, card trick. We got a Sandshrew, a War Turtle, and a Murkrow. Nice. Nothing special about that one. Okay. I think because of how lucky we've been, I'm kind of glad we got a Murkrow, because otherwise I don't think I would ever buy a regular pack again. I would just go to the dollar store or the Family Dollar and buy those packs, because these have been great thus far. Alright, so we got an Oddish, a Gloom, it evolved, and a Dugtrio Reverse Holo. So this is kind of what I was talking about with the low-end version. They have hair now. Kind of weird, but it works, I guess. Alright, let's see what we got. Diglett, Cleffa, and a Spitzy Reverse Holo. Very nice. Meowth, Fearow, and a Rattata Reverse Holo. So definitely not a super rare card. It is a Reverse Holo, which, again, I will take. Alright, so we got Coughing, Energy, and a Mew Holo. Mew is one of my favorite Pokemon. You know, goes with Mewtwo. I have a Mew right here. This is a shiny Mew, FYI. So I am very happy about this. It's crazy how many reverse holos I've gotten in this video. I'll take them, but the holo, that's exciting. So very happy about this. Jigglypuff, Welder, and a Happiny reverse holo. All right, so we're gonna get some last pack magic. I don't know, let's find out. Bellsprout, Laren, and a Kartana reverse holo Ultra Beast. All right, so that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I think if you watched the whole video, I think it's pretty obvious who won. So the pack street is really well at the dollar store. I would say that overall, between these two, I would have to say that the Charizard Reshiram GX card has to be a win for us. I would say that the likelihood of that happening again would probably be extremely low, but definitely go check out the Dollar Tree, Family Dollar, Dollar General, check them all out. Let me know what you think. If you guys have some luck like I do, let me know. Let me know in the comments if you've had pulls like this. I can't believe that we pulled this. This is an amazing pull. But yeah, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I will check you all in another one. All right, thanks. Bye.